Okay, love bugs, today I teamed up with Superbwig to bring you this beautiful bob lace wig. It has a beautiful invisible Swiss lace hairline. It came pre-plucked and literally ready to go straight out of the box. I didn't have to pluck, tweeze, or anything else. Literally just cut off the excess lace, bond the wig down, and you can go ahead and like bump it and add your own flavor to it, which is pretty much what we did in this video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, the cut, and all of that, keep on watching.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening. No, you keep saying you changed, but
time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time am stressing out. I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time. Just give us time. Time. Looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time. We got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah,
man, how you feel like a man with that? I tell a long little real, I stay true to that. Hey, no, man, how you feel like a man with that? I tell a long little real, I stay true to that.
Hey, big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flush time. My drip drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag at a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside. Never stressed on for a handout. Niggas ain't on what I be on. Niggas ain't on, need to rewrite. Yeah. Gold fronts to show the color of my soul. Fuck who you think you is, you got me in a mode. Where I'm from, we live and die by the code. Either that or sell your soul to get a roll. Black boy joy.
Okay, love bugs, so I switched the background to be a little bit more solid so that you guys can get a really good look at this wig. Now the vibe, the cut, everything about this one is absolutely perfect. So I had to get out of that black top to make sure that you guys can really catch the vibe and see. And what's the icing on the cake is that the hairline is absolutely gorgeous. Now I did go in and tint it to be more my complexion. It melted really nicely because it is Swiss lace, invisible Swiss lace at that, so we really didn't have any problems there. Also, the hairline came plucked, tweezed, and good to go, so really didn't have to mess with the hairline at all. And you guys know that's my favorite way to go. I love it when you can invest in a beautiful wig that is literally ready to go straight out of the box. The worst thing to do is to pay for your wig, have to wait for it to arrive. Then when it gets to you, have to like bleach the knots, tint the lace, and do a million other things. It's definitely a bonus and a treat to just have all that stuff done for you. So I definitely think if you're in the market for a bob, this is the way to go. And even more importantly, we got extra parting space here. You guys know 4 inches, you know, we can make it work, but it always looks a lot better and a lot more natural when you get a little extra parting space there. I did add a little bit of concealer. I feel like I can blend it out a little bit more, but I definitely will do that off camera. If you haven't already, check out the description box. I have a direct link to this wig there. You'll also find like all the details if you have any questions on the dimensions, the length, and all of that. You can also find all of the products that we use today there as well. Don't forget to use your heat protectant always whenever, you know, styling your hair with your hot tools. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, share this with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.